So guys, I'm 3S here. I'm with Jeffrey, and then this guy. I mean Calvin. Yeah, and the freaking snow. Trying to go to this guy's house. This nigga's freaking wearing shorts. Who wears shorts in the who wears shorts in the snow?
I do.
I'm so scared if I drop my phone. Then Dang. So maybe later on today, I'm gonna post a video of either try not to laugh or us playing football. So yeah.
Oh shoot! I went for the wrong way.
You're dumb.
Can't you stay? Oh shit!
What? Look at all this snow.
Look at all that.
Bruh. Look at all these chickens.
No, that cool.
This
Hey, be like, I'm about to do that, bro.
Nah.
Hey, we might jump off the roof later into the snow.
I'm in love with that
Coco. Hey,
I have a lot of.
go follow Jeffrey Gonzalez. He only has 1 subscriber, which is me.
I just got it.
He started YouTube 7 months ago, and only posted one. He hasn't posted video since like 7 months. He posted one. You did post a video.
Huh?
You did post a video of your football gloves or something like that, and then you riding down a hill thing. Oh, finally. Oh, well, he has 1 subscriber, so make sure you guys subscribe to him.
I ain't got one yet.
Yeah, he doesn't understand. He said when I get to 100 subscribers,
I will understand.
yeah. So I'll leave his channel in the description. Yeah.
You already know how to do that shit.
What? Yes, I do, Nikki. Look at all this snow. Dang, just climbing up.
Yo, you took my gloves?
Huh? I told you to keep it.
You want to keep it?
No.
Why?
Cause
I'll give you anything.
give me your hoverboard. Unless it's broken.
This is broken.
Give me your fucking what's it called?
Let's get high, let's smoke.
Give me your
What? I can't believe that.
Ah, look at all this snow. The blizzard
hit us hard.
of 2016.
Hit us hard.
Girls
We don't
all the time.
What the shit?
we don't got school until next week. Maybe.
Yeah, we don't have school until next week. Though.
That's some good shit.
I'm happy that we don't have school, cuz.
I'm so happy I didn't have to see Miss Rain Donkey, whatever it fucking is.
Yeah, Mr. Dongy Loin. Oh, nigga, move before I push you. Hey.
Fuck him up.
Oh.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Hey, let me get it.
Yeah. Boy, look at that beard
I
line.
ain't getting that.
Oh.
A lot of
Ah!
Oh.
My feet are cold, bitches.
To the nose. Nah, nigga. Fuck the police. California. These niggas taking the long way. Nigga, there's grass.
Go.
Go for the camera. Oh! Oh! Ah!
No.
Yeah, shorts on. What are you doing with your life?
I heard it.
Ah. Yo, I'm about to fall, like, no lie. Like, I'm sitting on this.
Can I go first?
I dare to jump. Ah, you put your...
Shit, sorry.
Wait, stand up and jump. Jump. Wait, jump. Stand up and jump. Why? Would you jump?
Would I jump?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I have my futures on.
So?
No, I wouldn't jump right now.
Why wouldn't you jump?
Because these are new.
Hey, look at
and
this.
I don't even freaking know why I'm using them.
You are something else.
Ah!
Oh, his shoe came off.
Ah, fuck.
Damn, I need to go pee-pee.
Pee that nigga. Yo, I want to jump in this.
Fuck off, nigga. You jump here.
Over the camera, boy. Yeah. This nigga's peeing. Oh, hell no. Hurry up.
Fuck, man, my phone just came off.
Nigga.
I'm about to
I dare you.
Ah, nope. But I'm chillaxing like a villain, though.
Yo, move.
Go, nigga. Fuck off, nigga.
Hey, this is deep.
Ah, fuck.
Oh, almost slipped.
Ah, fuck, baby. Ah, my knees. I'm making y'all a big pass.
A big pass. What kind of big pass is that, bro? Oh, forgot my boy. Oh, I almost fell.
I made it a safety, though.
Oh, you made it. Safety. What are you singing? Let it rain. Let it fall. I know that song.
What the fuck did my iPhone go? Oh, there it is.
I'm about to say you lost it.
Where? Let me see.
It's in my pocket.
He was like, where the fuck did my iPhone go? Oh, he jumped.
I got a black.
Thanks. Damn, look at these hoes though, cat. Them hoes though, cat.
No.
We have to go to his house. And goodness is grass. Oh. Hell no. Oh, what are these little, what is that? Somebody been here like. Oh, but got my balls. Nah, nigga, fuck the police. Come straight from the underground. Oh! Oh! Nigga take forever. Ah! He fell. Wonderful. Ow! Tell you when they me drop my phone, cuz. I made it! Barely. Fuck you. Going again? Yo, let's go that way. Let's go. Do you know where his house is?
Yeah.
It's that way.
Fuck.
It's that way.
Fuck.
Look at all the snow. Busting shots. Nah, he kneel. Metric.
Hey, imagine I do this. Look, I throw it and then it goes through it. I'm the best football player.
Thug life. You said the best football player? He said
Oh,
best
Dale
football-
is.
Oh, wait. Found it. Go back.
Motherfucker got
Oh,
me.
wait, yeah.
Oh, I almost slipped. This nigga running.
Hurry up.
Nigga, wait.
Oh, shoot. I got stuck on me.
We're gonna go to the park soon. Oh. Oh, we're at his house. And
My feet.
what is this guy doing? Do you need help? Try to walk through all that snow. Sucks. You good? Hey. At his house. I'm gonna take his shoes off. It's cold.
When it's cold outside. Look at my black cat.
Gotta look at all these chickens.
Nigga, run.
Oh, chill.
Nigga, run then.
Chill. Hey. We might go sit in that pile of snow. I don't know. It's hot though. And we have to wait for this nigga to hurry up. The scooter like. Take it? No, nigga. Dude, your shoes are wet.
I know.
Look at these. Joints are all, look at these road sheets. These joints are all ripped up. What is that? All ripped up. Damn. What again?
With your nasty ass mans.
What again?
With your nasty ass.
If you would have hit my phone, I would have knocked shit out you.
No, you wouldn't.
Nigga, you can't do shit. You can suck at these nuts.
I'm not gay though.
Huh?
I'm not gay though.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you really sure?
I'm really sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, he just farted all these
What
gas.
the fuck? Wow, you always lying. Nah, nigga, you just fucking winked at me.
I
Fuck
didn't
off.
Look. Alright guys, it's taking forever. And I'm out.